Alright, robot, here's the situation. I've got to deal with a dead battery this morning. As you can see, it's a winter wonderland out here. And this situation was completely avoidable, and it didn't get avoided. Here it is, a freaking ice cube. Let's see if it'll just start. I might get lucky. Well, so much for that. Now I'm going to see if I can pop the hood. This in and of itself is not what you'd call easy, because of the fact that this thing has had front end damage at some point. The fine art of this is red to positive, black to negative. We're going to hook these up after we start up the car. There's a lot of urban myth about whether or not you should do that, and we always started the car that will run before we hooked up the jumper cables. Alright, here we go. Good deposit black to neg. I have to do a limbo over this thing, of course. All of the many things that could have gone wrong, none of them actually happened. So I'm cool for the moment. Now we'll see if I can move this thing. Here I am at the auto parts place. It's 8:15. Store hours are 8 to whatever, and nobody home. And these two cars that are out here have been here all night because they've been snowed on. Anyway, now we know. Got to go to the next nearest auto place. Here's the second auto parts store of the day. Says it's open at 7:30, but no one home. Looks a little urban, and it is urban. Just for everybody's information, the conditions out here aren't terrible. Pavement's dry. If you keep where the tire tracks are, you're not going to slide around. There's no actual problem. But everybody's terrified, and they're all staying home because of the mass fear broadcasting. But that's fine. Time to head to someplace reliable. Here it is, number 3. At least they're open. It's 8:40. Opens at 7. They just unlocked the door for me. Here it is, the new battery. Forgot to video it. 8mm, 8mm. And that one there is 8mm. Old one comes out, new one goes in. Surely you can do that. Smell you later.